Okay, hello mom. So this is my presentation for the lesson 29, which is the password lock using the keypad. So first for the pinout, here we have the LCD. We have both the two analog here the two analog na kuan, two analog wires, as well as the kuan, the ground and VCC connected directly to the Arduino. And then here we have the kuan. Aside from that, we also have a relay. So right here, so we have that relay connected to one of the inputs, and then we basically, and the rest, the red and black wires connected to the VCC and ground, and then we have this set of wires connected to multiple digital pins, which is what allows us to use this keypad. So if you look right here, it says click press the asterisk to start. So if we lightly tap the asterisk, it will let us put the code. So the correct code is 1 2 3 4 5 then 6, and then we use this hashtag to click enter, and then as you can see, it says here input, and then your input is correct, and then you can come in. So let's actually put in another one. So by clicking this, we can reset. So let's say 1 1 1 1 4 3, and then we set that. So it says here input error, please try again. And so basically you can use this as a password key lock. So moving on to the code. So here for the password key lock, here we have the key. We have a bunch of libraries for the different devices. So we have the keypad, the wire, the LCD, and here we have we define a pin, so that's for the relay. And we have a number of rows and columns, so we have rows and columns right here. So the three. So this is basically just our digital like copy of the keypad. And so here we just have a bunch of other declarations. So here in the setup, we set up the LCD. We set the relay as output. We start the serial monitor, and then of course we set the LCD's text. So loop. So what loop does is we basically just press this read key. So that read key is underneath here. So what read key does is that it has a correct. So this is gonna be our way of seeing which of the inputs are correct. We have one. We have custom key. So this custom keypad that get key. So this essentially, it basically gets the key that we press on the keypad. And using the switch case, so we check custom key. So if we do this, we set everything to 0, and then we basically reset the whole thing. And then if we press this, it's an enter case. So when we do enter, so we do a for loop, and then we basically take in the code that they have, and then essentially, if the input code that they pressed is equal to the secret code, so this is our one. This is the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Will is essentially increment correct, and if they get all 6 digits correct, then we will have this. We have this LCD display, and then we have a relay. So essentially, it is a way to like let the person know that they actually went in, and then the else. So it's just the opposite. So we let them know that they got the password wrong. And then we have a default case, so right here. So this is just for if they're just putting in numbers and such. And that's about it.